Ever wondered why we're mysteriously drawn to certain people? It's not magic, it's science. Pheromones, those sneaky invisible chemicals, are secret agents of attraction. They whisper to our subconscious, hey, this person's a great match. But hold on, it's not just about the nose. Our eyes play a part too. Ever heard that opposites attract? Well, in the world of genetics, that's a win. We're naturally attracted to people who are different from us. It's nature's way of ensuring our offspring have a diverse mix of genes. And then there's the halo effect. We tend to assume that good-looking people are also smarter, kinder, you name it, unfair, maybe, but it's how our brains work. So next time you feel that inexplicable pull towards someone, remember, it's not just about their dazzling smile or sparkling eyes. It's a complex dance of chemistry, genetics, and psychology. Curious for more? Hit subscribe, like, and share. Check out the link for more on love and relationships. And don't be shy, drop your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring the science of attraction.